The other day, I was speaking with a great financial planner who's been in the business for a long time, and he asked a quick question about the all-in-one loan. Can you close an all-in-one in the name of a trust? His primary residence is in a trust. So we're going to dive into that today. This will be a quick video. My name's Miles Pitcher. I'm the all-in-one expert. Happy to answer questions you have about the all-in-one loan. If this is the first time you're looking at the all-in-one loan, please go watch the introduction video. I'll post it in the comments and description. That is the right place to start. And then these videos are great for additional details on it. Let's get started. So there are multiple different types of trusts. Oh, first, before we do that, if you find this video helpful about the all-in-one loan, interesting, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate that. Thank you. All right, here's our trust types. We have an inter vivos revocable trust, we have an irrevocable trust, and we have a land trust. The difference between the revocable and irrevocable just means that the grantor or the person who created the trust still remains in control of it. It's flexible. Irrevocable is used when assets or estate planning purposes are being passed on to the beneficiaries, and to make changes to the trust at that point require court orders or changes, or all the beneficiaries have to sign off on it. The grantor or the creator of the trust loses control. It's also better protection from creditors. But so we'll look at those. The land trust is kind of a strategy that a lot of people use to hide their or protect their identities, so assets are not visible to those doing searches. But let's see if these are eligible to do the all-in-one loan as the borrower. So first, revocable trust. Yes, it is. Absolutely. That's option number one. Option number two, the irrevocable trust is not eligible to do the all-in-one loan. Okay. And then the land trust, not eligible for an all-in-one loan as the borrower. So the cool thing is if you do a revocable trust, you can still close in your name, leave the asset in the trust account. You, as a beneficiary, have to still qualify for the all-in-one loan. Now, there's another piece to this that's really cool, and this is a strategy we love using not only in all-in-one loans, but in our conventional loans also, and that's using trust income. These are situations where our clients have a large amount of cash, and they go and they create a revocable trust, and they list themselves or their spouse as the beneficiary, and they set these up to where there are monthly disbursements coming out of that trust. And if you do it right and set it up right, you can count that as income. So it just has to continue from at least 3 years beyond the date of the mortgage. And you can see there we need the trust agreement, disbursement agreement. We need evidence that the bank accounts have been set up, the funds are there in a liquid form, and that the payments have begun to the beneficiary. So let me show you what this means and what it looks like. So let's say there's a trust account with $216,000, and this is revocable. Okay. There's documentation of $6,000 a month being paid out of that bank account, the trust bank account, to the individual, the beneficiary, of $6,000 a month. If we take that $216,000, we divide by 36, which is 3 years worth, we get $6,000. So in this case, we would be able to count $6,000 a month of income, trust income, for the borrower in qualifying for a loan. Pretty cool. So great little strategy there. If you have more questions on that, reach out to me. Here's how you can get a hold of me. We love helping people on their all-in-ones, any type of loans. We are dual licensed throughout all 50 states through a bank we work with. Thanks for watching the video.